Hello, this is Joe. Hey, look what I have here. I have the camper's knot tying kit. Let's tie a knot. The Timber Hitch and Half Hitch knots. The Timber Hitch knot is tied by wrapping the working end around the standing part several times. At times, the half hitch is also used. This combination is used to lift, drag, and tow long items such as logs, planks, and piling. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I'll have many more knot videos to come. Bye-bye.